Welcome to the urban jungle,
where discipline decides who survives.
We teach real rules.
That realization gave me peace.
Peace replaced panic. Peace replaced panic.
Peace improved focus.
Focus improved discipline.
Discipline improved performance.
Performance improved results.
Results improved confidence.
Confidence strengthened faith.
Faith strengthened patience.
Patience strengthened resilience.
I decided to act differently from that day forward.
I stopped operating from fear.
I started operating from faith.
I stopped reacting to problems.
I started planning for solutions.
I stopped focusing on scarcity. I stopped focusing on scarcity.
I started focusing on stewardship. I started focusing on stewardship.
Stewardship creates responsibility.
Responsibility creates discipline. Discipline creates stability. The first change I made was practicing generosity.
Generosity shifts your focus away from fear.
Generosity strengthens trust in provision.
Generosity builds compassion. Generosity builds confidence.
Giving small amounts created peace.
Giving reminded me I still had control.
Giving reminded me I still had purpose. Giving reminded me I still had purpose.
Giving reminded me I still had faith. Giving reminded me I still had faith.
Faith removed fear from decisions.
The second change I made was improving my work habits.
I committed to excellence in every task.
Stay disciplined.
Keep building your future. We are here to advise,
Educate.
and help you grow.
TAG Premium Studios.
Soli Deo Gloria.